Hi, this is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. Today I want to show you a tutorial of how to set up a campaign, a Facebook Instagram campaign for one of my e-commerce stores. And stay until the end, I have some free I want to give you. So let's jump into it. Here I'm in my own Facebook ad account on one of my e-commerce stores. And the product we're going to advertise is this one. It's a little pet hair remover. So let's go back to the ad account. So I start, of course, by clicking create a new campaign, the green button here, and it's a sales campaign. So we click sales, continue, then we give it a name. I'm just gonna name this test campaign Fur Buster. That's what the product is called. I'm not going to go through all the settings. There's some other videos that explains more about that. So we're no special ad category. We just leave all this as it is. Buying type, auction, catalog, no. A/B test, no. I do want to use Advantage campaign budget so that if I make two ads and when I test, then it's going to use the same campaign budget, and it automatically allocates money to the ad that performs the best. So that's pretty good. If I want to set up more ads, I'm just gonna do $5 a day in the beginning. We use daily budget, always use daily budget. It's seldom that we use lifetime budget. It's always better with daily budget, because when you use lifetime budget, then when that date, then you set a certain time frame for your ad, and when the date arrives, when it ends, then it's going to end and you have to set it up again, and it disrupts the learning phase and everything like that. So daily budget, and yeah, then we just click next. Now we're in the ad set. Gonna call this test ad set also. Fur Buster. And yeah, we're gonna lead people to make a purchase on our website. So we click website here. Maximize number of conversions, yes. Make sure it's the right pixel, that is correct. Conversion event, that is purchase here. There's always so many pop-ups. You don't always have to pay attention to those. We're not going to do dynamic creative this time. I have another video showing that. We're not going to schedule it. Audience control. Audience, I want to edit that. I live in Denmark, so it's default on Denmark, but I want to advertise. Maybe we can take the United States. Just the whole United States, so you just put in whatever is applicable to you, wherever you can deliver your product or your service. And also where the most people are, maybe if it's a high ticket product or service, where people are able to pay for it. So I just do United States for my product, but you can do whatever is applicable to your business, of course. Placement. It is default is Advantage Plus placement, so it's Facebook decides where to place it, and that's okay when it's a sales campaign, because we optimize for sales. But if, for instance, we're optimizing for traffic or engagement, then Facebook is gonna, especially traffic and reach, then Facebook is gonna place your ad in places like audience network, because it's very, you get a lot of reach there, and it's very cheap to get reach or to get impressions there. But people in those places, they're less likely to take the action that you want them to do, to become a lead or to purchase. So when you're optimizing for traffic or awareness or something like that, then it's important to only use Facebook feed and stories, because the other placements, they're less likely to take the action that you want. But when we're optimizing for sales, then it doesn't matter. Facebook will automatically find out that those lower valuable placements, I would say, like audience network, they are not going to convert, and therefore Facebook is not going to put your ads there too much. Yeah, so we just check here. When it's a sales campaign, like I said, we don't have to worry about it too much. You can edit here. Like I said, you can choose manual placements, and here you can choose Facebook, Instagram, feeds, stories, reels, and so on. But it's okay when it's a sales campaign, that we have all of them clicked on. So I just click next. Give this a name. Now we are in the ad level. And make sure it's the right Facebook page, Instagram account, that is correct. It's called Pets Are Kings. And then we want to put in our creative. And you can have a catalog, but I want to manually upload a picture or video. So, and you can choose a single image or video or carousel ad, collection. I want to do a video, so I'm clicking there. Multi-advertiser ads. That's where Facebook and Instagram shows your ads next to other people's, your competitors' ads actually. So similar type of product, but your competitors. So of course we don't want to do that. So I always click this off. Now we get to the ad creative. Here we add media, add a video. I have some videos already saved in here, otherwise you can also upload it. Let me show you. You can upload here, you can upload a video. But I have one already in there. Click that. Click next. And then click next again. Yeah, this may not be shown in certain placement, but that's okay. You can change it here to a different format. So click next. And check it again here. And just click done when you're happy with it. Now it's uploading. Can take a couple of minutes. Now we get to the text. primary text, I would write the number 1 oops, let's scroll down. There. The number 1 pet hair remover. Well, if I could spell, okay. And now it's really cool that Facebook is generating different suggestions, primary text suggestions. Say goodbye to pet hair. Get the number 1 pet hair remover now, and keep your home clean and fur free. So I can click all these and add them as different options that Facebook can then choose from. Then Facebook is actually doing some of the testing for us. It's testing different text options. So this is really cool. Pretty new feature with Facebook. And then the headline, I would write also the best pet hair. Oh, let's write, are you tired of pet hair everywhere? Oh. Everywhere. Okay. And then you can click add headline options, and you can put in more headlines, different headlines. I'm just going to go with that, but you can use ChatGPT to help you make different options also. So you don't have to come up with it yourself, and you can ask ChatGPT to be a world-class copywriter and make you headline options for this and this product. So that's really cool. Description, the same thing. The best pet hair remover on the market. Get yours today. And it says here, optimize text per person. So that's what Facebook is doing. It's combining the different options that we give it, and then it's optimizing different options for each person. Here you can also click text options, text used previously. So we can copy that, add that in, and then another text here, text option, fur free home guaranteed, copy that, put that in. But that's only if you had if you previously ran ads. Then it's going to show those options. Otherwise, like I said, you can use ChatGPT to help you do this. I just want to make it small. I want to make it with a big capital letter. And then call to action, learn more. Learn more is actually one of the best ones, even when you want people to purchase, because it's softer. When you say shop now, for instance, I tested this out, then people may think that if they click shop now, then they're actually purchasing, but they're just going to the website to look at it. So learn more is softer, and I got way better results with learn more for an e-commerce product. But you have to test it. Depends on your product and your market and so on. And then we put in the website URL. I have the website here, and copy that, the website URL, and put that in here, and make sure that it's going to the actual website, the landing page where people can actually purchase it, or at least click add to cart. Not the front page of your store. That's very important, because it's gonna convert way better, much better, when it's your ad is going directly to your product page. Here you can preview URL to make sure that it's the right one, and then you can write a display link. Then I would just write the URL to your store. This is just something that is gonna show up. People can see it, but they can't click on it. PetsAreKingShop.com. Okay, and then you can also use the browser add-ons. People will see your website. When they tap on your ad, you can add an additional contact method in the browser to help people connect with you. You can have none, or you can offer where they can call you, or they can message you through WhatsApp. I have none here. There's also the different options here, instant experience, and Facebook event. I'm not going to go into those now. You can also add different languages. Here we come to tracking. It's all there, and that is it actually. Then we just click publish. I'm not going to publish it because I didn't set it up all the way. I just went through it really fast for you. And I actually have one just like it running already. So I just want to show you how to set it up for e-commerce products. I hope it helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also the free thing I want to give you is, if you're a coach or consultant, I have a free Facebook ad template that you can follow. It's completely free. There's a link in the description where you can download it. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me and my team. There's a link in the description. Completely non-committal. And please also join our free Facebook group. It's called Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. Take care. Bye.